Here are the 5 players who have scored more than 140 headed goals in their career. I present the 5 most dangerous players in the aerial game in history. No. 5. Sergio Ramos, 38 goals with a header. A legendary defender. Feared for his incredible timing in the air, Ramos scored decisive headed goals in finals and big matches, proving that even a defender can dominate the aerial game like a true striker. No. 4. Edinson Cavani, 50 goals with a header. A killer inside the box, he always knows where the ball will land and how to direct it. No. 3. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, 53 goals with a header. Thanks to his size and physical strength, he dominated the aerial game with great ease. Number 2. Robert Lewandowski, 70 goals with a header. A real goal machine, he anticipates crosses and places his headers with incredible precision. Who do you think is the king of headed goals in soccer history? He scored over 140 goals with his head. Write his name in the comments and subscribe if you are a football fan.